Um, these are Pac-Man. He's got 9 packs here. So let's see what we can pull for him. Brandon Belt, base rookie. Jared Weaver, Ike Davis, and Jaime Garcia, Jamie Garcia. Refractor 562. You know, I've got a couple cases of 88 Topps Vernon Wells, the oh geez, I can't think of it. Derek Jeter, Ricky Weeks, and Chris Young. The rack packs. I got a couple rack pack cases. Well, what do you have? What, 1 pack left, right? We can open that next for you. Oh, let's see what this is. Ryan Ludwig, Josh Beckett, Dan Ugla, and Prince Fielder to 1962. Well, if you don't find a taker, I'll war you. I've got 1 pack left. Okay, Chris Sale, rookie. Craig Kimbrell, rookie. That's a good pack. Ryan Braun and Chipper Jones. Alright, there's 3 of us. Brett Anderson, Jose Reyes, Danny Valencia, and Jose Tabata. I know, right? Ryan Braun, David Wright, Paul Canerco, and Chris Sale. So he's got 2 Sale. We can always save the football for later if you want to. Carlos Pena, Roy Halladay, Drew Stubbs, and Carlos Quinton. He's got a lot of heritage too. So that's 4 of us. And oh, he's got a blue. Maybe he hit an auto. Tyler Colvin, John Buck, Clayton Kershaw. He did. Look at that. Jake McGee, blue auto to 99. I know you guys don't like him, but he's a Ray. Oh, the auto's to 199. That's weird. The auto's to 199 and the regular base is to 99. I have to get him to sell that to me. Let's see what he's got going on. Justin Morneau, Matt Garza, Ryan Zimmerman, and whew, I thought he had another one. Ivan DeJesus Jr. Alright, those were all Pac-Man's packs. Alright, let me save this video and then we'll do this next pack war here.